way it is refreshed. So okay, okay. So uh, how can we say that Peggy was not totally a bad girl? Who will answer? Have Does Peggy have any positive traits in her personality? Shreyasi?
Ma'am, can
Shrey-
I answer?
okay, Aditya.
Ma'am, she saves children from bullies and cry when any animals is threatened.
Yes, very good. She saved the young children from bullies and also cried when the animals were mistreated. Okay. So we had begun the second part. So at the who had won the painting competition?
Ma'am, Wanda
Wanda.
Wanda.
Petronsky.
Yes, Wanda Petronsky had won. She had drawn beautiful designs of
Han,
100 dresses. So, what was written in the note that Wanda's father sent to the school?
and that Wanda was not want to come to school.
When they're shifting to a big city.
Yes. In the note, it was mentioned that now his children will not come to school, and now the American children will not get a chance to make fun of them because they have moved to a big city where uh, discrimination is not practiced, where people don't make fun of each other even if they have a weird name. So, okay. So Miss Mason was very shocked to when she came to know that these kind of activities are going on in school, because the children did all this without the knowledge of their teachers. Usually, when did the girls make fun of Wanda? Before the school started, outside the school campus, or after the school ended. So the teacher was not aware of all this. So even when she came to know, she thought that the children had just done this in thoughtlessness, बिना सोचे समझे ऐसा किया. So Miss Mason told the children that they have not done it intentionally. So she forgives them this time, but this should not happen in future. Uh, so she told all the children to think about it. Bullying is not permitted in any of the educational institutions. Okay. So after after this incident, Maddie was very disturbed. Why? What was the reason why Maddie was so upset? Maddie was not even
Because
able
she
to.
was thinking about
Ma'am,
Wanda.
because
Okay, Pragya answer. Pragya.
Ma'am, because she was thinking about Wanda.
Because all the time she was thinking about Wanda, there was a lot of guilt feeling. What was troubling Maddie? Guilt and regret. Huh? Guilt and regret. So now, once the family left the city, then Maddie started feeling guilty, because she thought that in some way she was responsible for all this. That Wanda had got so fed up of the environment at school that she left the s- town. So Maddie tried, but and Maddie was full of guilt and regret. She was not even able to concentrate on her studies. She had a very sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach. So uh, when the girls used to make fun of Wanda, Maddie did not participate in that. Maddie stood aloof. But then what was her mistake? She had said nothing. So, Maddie was not an active participant in the fun making game. She did not, in fact, bully Wanda, but she did not oppose it either. That was her mistake. Uh, if you see something wrong is going on around you and you don't oppose it, then that is also a mistake. If you So she had said nothing. She had stood by silently, and that was just as bad as what Peggy had done. So she thought that her mistake was also as big as Peggy's mistake. Peggy had made fun of Wanda, but she had also not opposed her, not stopped her. Uh, so why had Peggy torn the note that? Why had Maddie torn the note that she started writing to Peggy? Who, Dhruv, you want to answer? Maddie started writing a note to Peggy to stop this bullying, but then she stopped and tore it. Why?
Because she was afraid that she would lose friendship to Peggy.
Yes, very good, Dhruv. She was scared that she would lose Peggy's friendship. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. Why was Peggy most popular? What was the reason?
Because she was pretty.
Yeah, she was beautiful. She wore lovely dresses. She was good in
Ma'am, there was
studies.
one more reason. Ma'am, there
Due
was
to its
one more
curl,
reason.
Oh, yes,
their is
Dhruv.
curly.
What was the other reason, Dhruv?
The other reason was that all the clothes she wore uh, were from Peggy. It was Peggy's old dress, so she was afraid she will be bullied in place of Wanda.
Okay, one of the reason why she did not want to be involved in this bullying game was that she thought she would become the next target, because even Maddie belonged to a poor family. She wore nice dresses to school, but those were not her own dresses. They were the dresses given by other rich children, which her mother just altered, disguised by using the laces and frills. So she was, in a way, hiding her poverty by wearing the uh, dresses given by the other rich children. हाँ, लेकिन किसी ना किसी दिन तो बच्चों को पता चल ही जाएगा, ऐसा मैडी का सोचना था. Okay, she was a coward. So what was Maddie feeling bad about? She was a coward. Why didn't she have the courage to protest against the wrong that was being done to Wanda? Uh, So that was her mistake. She was a coward. At least Peggy hadn't considered they were being mean, but she had thought they were doing wrong. Peggy को तो लग भी नहीं रहा था कि वो कुछ गलत कर रही है, because she had her own justifications for bullying Wanda. She told everyone, why did Wanda tell lies to them? That she had 100 dresses. She was a liar, and that is why she had the right to bully her. That was Peggy's way of thinking. That Wanda was a liar, and that is why she was bullying her. But Maddie now could put herself in Wanda's shoes. She could imagine herself in Wanda's situation. Wasn't there anything she could do? Now, as Maddie was feeling extremely guilty, so she was feeling so guilty, so upset that she couldn't even concentrate on her studies. All the time, those incidents were revolving in her mind. So now she wanted to make some amends. She wanted to do something. Wasn't there anything she could do? She wanted to apologize. Wasn't there anything she could do? If only she could tell Wanda she hadn't meant to hurt her feelings. Now, she wanted to go to Wanda and apologize to her and tell her that she hadn't done it intentionally. She hadn't meant to hurt her feelings. So she turned around and stole a glance at Peggy. So now, uh, Maddie is thinking that they should go and apologize to Wanda. Mm. And she wanted to take Peggy also along with her. She turned around and stole a glance at Peggy, looked quietly. But Peggy did not look up. She seemed to be studying hard. So Peggy was not disturbed. Maddie was very, very disturbed. Maddie was more sensitive because she herself was a poor girl. So she could understand a little bit the condition of poor children. She could imagine herself in Wanda's shoes. Whereas Peggy was belonged to a rich family, and so
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम आप स्क्रीन शेयर किए तो मैम नहीं दिख रहा है.
स्क्रीन शेयर किया वो नहीं दिख रहा है.
नो मैम कहाँ आ रहा है?
Advait, screen is visible or not? Hello,
मैम स्क्रीन विजिबल है.
visible
Yes,
है.
ma'am. Screen is visible.
Uh, Rishav, you check your
मैम दिख
connection.
रहा है.
Rishav, you check your connection. Okay.
मैम अब आ गया.
अच्छा ठीक है. So, well, whether Peggy felt badly or not, she had to do something. Maddie determined, had to do something. She made up her mind कि पेगी अगर ना भी माफी मांगे तो ठीक है, मुझे तो जाकर माफी मांगना है वांडा से. She had to find Wanda Petronsky. Maybe she had not yet moved away. There is one hope इन हर माइंड कि हो सकता है कि अभी वो पूरे तरह शिफ्ट नहीं हुए हों, बस जाने की सोच रहे हों. ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी लगा मैडी को. सो मैडी हैड टू डू समथिंग. शी हैड टू फाइंड वांडा पेट्रॉन्स्की. So she was burdened with guilt. She was burdened with guilt, and now she was feeling restless, very upset, and she determined that somehow मन में ठान लिया था कि किसी तरह वंडा को खोजकर उससे माफी तो मांग ही लेना है. मे बी शी हैड नॉट येट मूव्ड अवे. एक छोटी सी आशा मन में थी कि हो सकता है वंडा अभी नए सिटी में शिफ्ट नहीं की हो. Maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her. So now Maddie already determined to go to Wanda's house. Where did Wanda live? What is the name of the area where she lived?
बॉगिंग साइट.
Yes,
Inside.
Boggins Heights. So uh, there is some hope in Maddie's mind that maybe Wanda has not yet shifted to the new city. So she tried to take a chance. Why not go to Boggins Heights, and there is some chance that Wanda may be there and then she will ask forgiveness. Maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her, or she wanted to take Peggy also along with her. And they would tell Wanda she had won the contest. So Wanda had won the contest, but was she aware of the result?
No, ma'am.
वंडा को रिजल्ट नहीं पता था क्योंकि जिस दिन रिजल्ट अनाउंस हुए दैट डे शी वाज एब्सेंट. In fact, she had been absent for 2 or 3 days. So would tell Wanda she had won the contest, that they thought she was smart and the 100 dresses were beautiful. So till now they had just made fun of Wanda, looked down upon her. Now that they know that she's a very talented girl, now they think that she is valuable of praise. So they would tell Wanda she had won the contest and they thought she was smart and the 100 dresses were beautiful. Now they wanted to praise Wanda and give her the good news that she had won the contest and then praise her talent. See, so beautiful designs, all different designs. Wanda's dresses. Okay. When the school was dismissed in the afternoon, Peggy said with pretended casualness means Peggy was very upset, but she pretended that she was not upset. आ, पेगी को वो दिखाना नहीं चाहती थी कि वो इतनी ज्यादा अपसेट है. So she just acted as if she was very very normal. Pretended casualness, acted being normal, very casual. Hey, let's go and see if that kid has left the town or not. पेगी को सजेस्ट किया कि क्यों नहीं हम जाकर देखें कि वंडा ने शहर छोड़ा है या नहीं. Let's go and see if that kid. So that kid refers to whom? That
Wanda.
Wanda.
yes, Wanda. तो मैडी ने पेगी को सजेस्ट किया कि क्यों ना हम जाकर देखें कि वंडा ने शहर छोड़ा है या नहीं. Now that they have come to know of Wanda's drawing talent, so now they have started valuing her. So she says, why not go and see if Wanda has left the town or not? So Peggy had the same idea. So Peggy was also feeling a little bit bad now, because now she thought that because of them only she had left the town. So Peggy had the same idea. Maddie glowed. She glowed here means became happy. ग्लो मतलब शाइन करना, लेकिन यहाँ किस चीज का शाइन है? खुशी का चमक. So Maddie glowed here means she glowed with happiness. So Maddie glowed with happiness. Maddie glowed. Peg was really all right. The two girls hurried out of the building up the street towards Boggins Heights. तो मैडी और पेगी दोनों जो है वंडा के घर के तरफ बढ़ने लगे स्कूल खत्म होने के बाद. The part of the town that wore such a forbidding air. So Boggins Heights was an area which was not pleasant. Forbidding. Forbid means
Polluted air.
forbidding, yes, not pleasant. So the environment in Boggins Heights were not very pleasant. Kind of a November afternoon, drizzly, damp and dismal. Very dark and gloomy. Dismal means dark, gloomy. So Wanda lived in an area which was not a posh locality, a very, very simple, remote corner, faraway area, which looked very dull and damp. Means it was not a nice area. Uh, Damp, dismal. Well, at least, said Peggy gruffly, I never did call her a foreigner or make fun of her name. Now Peggy is justifying her actions. What does she say? Uh, with irritation. Gruffly means with anger, with irritation. I never did call her a foreigner or make fun of her name. Hmm? She says that she did not call her a foreigner. So Peggy just used to ask her how many dresses you have and laugh at her. She never called her a foreigner or made fun of her name. I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. So what did Peggy think? कि वंडा को समझ भी नहीं आता होगा कि वो उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. So what had Peggy thought? That Wanda did not even have the wisdom to understand that she was being bullied. She had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb because, according to Peggy, Wanda was a very foolish, silly girl who did not even have the sense to understand that the other girls were making fun of her. ऐसा पेगी का सोचना था कि वंडा इतनी बेवकूफ थी कि उसको समझ भी नहीं आया होगा कि लोग उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. I thought she was too dumb. And gee, look how she can draw. But what surprises Peggy? Her drawing talent. Look how she can draw. So Peggy is very impressed. The way how she looks at Wanda now has changed, and that is because of her drawing talent. Look how she can draw. Such a simple girl whom we thought was so foolish, but look at her acting talent. Look how she can draw. Maddie could say nothing. All she hoped was that they would find Wanda. So Maddie did not have the courage to oppose Peggy in anything. अभी भी वो बोल सकती थी कि हाँ हमने जो उसके साथ किया वो गलत किया, लेकिन अभी भी वो पेगी को कुछ नहीं बोल सकी. मैडी कुड से नथिंग. All she hoped was they would find Wanda. And there was only one hope in her mind कि किसी तरह वो वंडा से मिल लें, कि वो माफ़ी मांग ले, because guilt was overburdening her mind. She wanted to tell her that they were sorry they had picked on her. Picked on her means bullied her. And how wonderful the whole school thought she was. Now they wanted to make Wanda feel good by saying that the whole school recognized her drawing talents. And how wonderful. Now they wanted to make Wanda feel worthy and good by telling them that the whole school recognized her talent. Wonderful the whole school thought she was, and please not to move away, everybody would be nice. तो मैडी के मन में एक आशा थी कि अगर वो नहीं गए होंगे तो वो रिक्वेस्ट करेंगी उनसे नॉट टू मूव अवे, कि अगर उनके कारण वो जा रहे हों, बुलिंग के कारण, तो अब जो है ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, वो शहर छोड़कर नहीं जाए. तो मैडी thought that if they would meet Wanda, they would first ask forgiveness, apologize, then praise her, and then request her not to move away to the new place. Everybody would be nice. Now they would not make fun of her. She and Peggy would fight anybody who was not nice. वंडा को वो ये भी आश्वासन देंगे कि अगर कोई और भी मजाक उड़ाया, then they would fight against anybody who would make fun of Wanda. So with all this hope in this mind, with all these kind of hopes, ये सब आशा कि वंडा हो सकता है नहीं शिफ्ट की हो, मिल ले उससे, ask forgiveness and praise her talents. So the two girls hurried on. They hoped to get on the top of the hill before dark. बहुत दूर था उसका घर, तो वो जल्दी जल्दी जा रहे थे कि अंधेरा होने से पहले वहां पहुंच जाए. I think that's where the Petronskis live, said Maddie, pointing to a little white house. So they reached Wanda's house. It was a little white house. छोटा सा white color का घर था. Wisps of old grass stuck up here and there along the pathway. So there was bundles of grass here and there like thin kittens. The house and its sparse little yard. Very small, sparse, और बेयर यू कैन, कुछ भी उसमें नहीं था, यार्ड में कुछ भी लगा हुआ नहीं था घर के आंगन में. सो लिटिल यार्ड लुक्ड shabby but clean. So it was in a way dirty, but it was also clean, dirty as well as clean. Shabby means dirty. It reminded Maddie of Wanda's one dress, her faded blue cotton dress, shabby but clean. So Wanda's cotton dress, though it looked shabby, it was clean. So there was not a sign of life about the house. So finally they managed to reach Wanda's house. छोटा सा white color का घर था, छोटा सा आंगन था, yard, which was bare, no plantations, and in a way it was dirty. There was not a sign of life about the house, but there was no indication that anybody is there in the house. बिल्कुल ही शांति था घर में. तो ऐसा कोई इंडिकेशन नहीं था कि वहां अभी भी कोई है. No sign of life. Peggy knocked firmly on the door. So Peggy went in and knocked the door, but there was no answer. So probably the Petronsky family had already moved. So now Maddie and Peggy would not be able to ask forgiveness from Wanda, apologize to Wanda. So Peggy knocked firmly on the door, but there was no answer. She and Maddie went around to the backyard and knocked there. सोचा कि पीछे के तरफ से जो दरवाजा था उसको भी नॉक करें. So they knocked on the door. There was no answer. They went to the backyard, knocked there. Still there was no answer. There was no doubt about it. The Petronskis were gone. So now the girls came to know that now they cannot apologize to Wanda. The Petronsky family had already left the place. How could they ever make amends? So now the girls lost the chance to apologize. अब वो कैसे जो है वंडा को दिखाएंगे कि वो अपने जो भी उन्होंने किया उसके लिए वो बुरा फील कर रहे हैं. How to make amends, to show that one is sorry by doing something good. Now they have lost their chance to make Wanda feel nice and show that they have changed. How could they ever make amends? They turned slowly and made their way back down the hill. So Peggy and Maddie went to visit Wanda's house at Boggins Heights with the hope that if the Petronsky family had not moved, they would apologize, they would tell Wanda about tell Wanda that she had won the painting competition and praise her painting talent, and assure her that they will stop all this bullying and request her not to move away from that town. They had thought of all this, but unfortunately, the Petronsky family had already moved away, and now the girls were very disappointed. Now they will not get chance to make amends. They will not get chance to make amends, to ask forgiveness, and to show that now they have changed. अब वो वापस आ गए, back down the hill. Well, anyway, said Peggy, she is gone now, so what can we do? So Peggy now says that now she has gone, so what can we do? Besides, when I was asking her about all her dresses, she was probably getting good ideas for her drawings. अब Peggy अपने आप को justify कैसे कर रही है? That when she was asking Wanda about her beautiful dresses, she was giving Wanda idea about more and more dress designs. She might not even have won the contest otherwise. अब वंडा ने कॉन्टेस्ट जीता, उसका भी थोड़ा क्रेडिट पेगी अपने पर ही ले लेती है. That she only inspired Wanda to win the contest and to innovate new designs of her dresses. So Peggy is not much upset or disappointed. She has her own excuses and own justifications. अपना ही वो justification उसके पास है कि वंडा से ऐसे सवाल पूछकर वो उसको ड्रेस डिजाइन्स का और नया आइडियाज दे रही थी, और उसी के कारण हो सकता है कि उसने कॉन्टेस्ट जीता हो. माइट नॉट इवन हैव वन द कॉन्टेस्ट अदरवाइज. So Peggy was not much worried, not much guilty. She has her own justifications. But Maddie, she was different. Maddie turned this idea carefully over in her head. For if there were anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. अब मैडी भी सोच रही थी कि उसे उतना बुरा नहीं फील करना चाहिए. She was thinking carefully over everything, and then in some way she was trying to make herself feel better. But that night she could not get to sleep. But Maddie was still feeling guilty. She could not guilty and upset. उस रात मैडी ठीक से सो भी नहीं पाई. She thought about Wanda and her faded blue dress and the little house she had lived in. So Peggy was not able to sleep. What was going on in her mind? So Wanda's face was revolving in her mind. Wanda's blue dress and the little house at Boggins Heights. Okay. Okay, now it's almost time and my connection is also a little unstable. So I'm ending the class. Okay. So bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day.